Okay guys, it's part 3 since last time when I was over there. Okay, now, yeah, everything is clean. Last time it was such a mess. But now, it's so clean, but that tree is still there. I don't know why it's still there. But yeah, kind of a long story. You want me to tell all the story? Okay. When it one night we got attacked by a typhoon that was so strong it blown over some trees and also caused a power out. And also everything got almost wet and also everything got destroyed because of the super typhoon. And also, yeah, we stayed at my sister's room so we can be safe. But my mama always chose there, but it got wet because shut up! Because one of the house's roof got blown away from the strong winds. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain to you guys. When it stopped at 1 o'clock in midnight. Night. And also, yeah, it was a scary day. Night. And also, here's the check. Here's the here, you guys. Here, guys. You can see here. Here, you can see all of the destruction. Look, it's right there as well. The gigantic tree that just fell. That tree as well just fell. And that tree as well. Gigantic tree didn't fall over our house. Look at that massive tree. It got destroyed by the strong winds. Can you see it? And also our coconut tree got chainsawed because if there was another super typhoon, it will fall down to our house. And yeah, they didn't chainsaw that gigantic tree right there. Guys, that's all of the damage. And also, why is this out here? Bye! Wait, I have something to show you guys, my new shoes.